Google Gemini. Google Gemini is now a very powerful AI model which is fighting hard to be better than ChatGPT. Before jumping on to topic, let's see how can we use a Gemini Pro for free. Basically, students and Geo users may be eligible for up to 1 to 1.5 years of a free Gemini Pro access through official partnership program. Even with your card details or UPI auto payment renewal, you will get 3 more months free access for Google Gemini Pro, and then you can cancel the details. Let's discuss about the Google Gemini features. Google Gemini is a powerful AI model which is really competing for ChatGPT nowadays. Recently, it has launched Gemini 3 Pro, which is a most powerful AI model from Google. This is AI model is designed for a superior deep reasoning and a native multimodal integration. This multimodal integration process text, images, audio, and video within a single unified architecture. So, Google Gemini recently launched Google Gemini 3 Pro, which is a native multimodal integration. This multimodal process text, images, audio, and video within a single unified architecture. And one more core feature is its ability to handle up to 1 million tokens in a single prompt. As a user, you can handle up to 1 million tokens in a single prompt. And one more important thing with Google Gemini is Google ecosystem integration. Gemini model very tight integration with Google's ecosystem applications like Gmail, Google Slides, YouTube, Google Colab, Google Anti-Gravity. So Google ecosystem is a vast and Gemini integrated with Google ecosystem applications. When you are working with Google ecosystem applications, this Gemini generates a more accurate results when compared with other large language models. Google ecosystem has its own AI model. Google Gemini generates accurate results when compared with other large language models. For example, when you are working with a YouTube video summarization, compare with other large language models, Google Gemini generates more accurate results than other large language models. Let me check with one YouTube video to summarize with Google Gemini 3 Pro. Here I am using a YouTube video, NVIDIA CEO Jansen who wants a vision for the future YouTube video. The duration is 1 hour 3 minutes. Now I want to copy this YouTube URL and summarizing with the help of Gemini 3 Pro. Let me paste here. Ask summarize attached YouTube video and generate study notes from the video content. Enter. So now I am summarizing 1 hour 3 minutes YouTube video into study notes with the help of Gemini 3 Pro. Even you can work with any other large language models. But here the thing is, when you are working with the same ecosystem applications, you will get a more accurate results when compared with other large language models. Google Gemini and YouTube is both in Google's ecosystem. So when you work with Google Gemini, you will get more accurate results when compared with other large language models. Here it is summarizing the YouTube video and generating the study notes content. So the fundamental shift in computing, the time mission, the rise of the AI era, the AlexNet movement, the next frontier physical AI and robotics, Omniverse and Cosmos, future applications, personal and professional advice, key terminology. So when compared with other large language models, same ecosystem applications generates more accurate results than other large language models. Here, YouTube is a Google ecosystem application. So I'm working with Google Gemini and generating a transcript content by using the video. It helps you to save the time without watching entire YouTube video. Even you can summarize above content into 3 lines without missing core concept of the video. Enter. So now I am summarizing this 1 hour 3 minutes video into just within 3 lines without missing core concept of the video. It helps you to save your time. So it is summarized into 3 lines: the foundation, the future, the human role. So the 1 hour 3 minutes YouTube video summarized into 3 lines. Even you can summarize into 1 line. So the thing is here you can save the time without watching the whole YouTube video. And also when working with other large language models, same ecosystem applications generates more accurate results compared with other large language models. Google has a vast ecosystem applications like Google Colab, Google Anti-Gravity, Google Gmail, Google Slides, and many more applications have the Google in ecosystem. So this Gemini integrated into all the Google's ecosystem applications and generating accurate results compared with other large language models. Let's see how can work with Google Gemini in same ecosystem applications.